sometimes you might have data where the location is given in geographical coordinates, so in latitude, longitude, and TradeMapper is able to draw this. So here's an example data set of just some fake bird trade data. And as you can see, we've got the species here, and then we've got various points along the trade chain. So for the origin, we have the name of the origin, we have its latitude and its longitude. We have the first transit point's name, latitude, longitude, and this continues on for a few different transit points until it meets its final destination, latitude, longitude, and there's also a column with the quantity, so the number of birds. So as you can see from this data, each trade point is made up of 3 different columns. So that's the name, and then the latitude and the longitude. So how we get this into TradeMapper, it's quite simple. We need to go to the Data tab, find the file saved on my computer, and it opens up this Importer panel. So it's just a case of going through and looking at each column that we just had open in Excel and checking that TradeMapper knows what to do with it. So for the first column, the name of the species, text, great. The origin, so this is the name of the origin, its location, but it's not a country code, it's a place name. It's origin, correct. Origin given in coordinates is the latitude, origin, coordinates, longitude. So together these 3 columns here make up the first point, and you can tell that they're all related because each of these, which tells TradeMapper which order to draw them in, is the same. So we'll move on to the next one. You can see again we're just going to need to change country code to latitude, longitude, but these are the same. But as this is transit point 1, we know this is actually the second part of the trade chain, so we'll just change those. And we'll just keep doing this as we go along, change it so this column refers to the place name, latitude, longitude, and these 3 columns together are the third part of the trade chain. Move on, country code, change that to place name, location, latitude, location, longitude, and these 3 columns together are the 4th part of the trade chain. And then finally we get to the destination, change it once again so it knows it's looking at the place name in that column, latitude, longitude, and together these 3 columns make up the 5th part of the trade chain. And this column here, last with the quantity, TradeMapper has recognised that this is the quantity. Okay, so we just tell it done, and it draws automatically.